Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Natalie. Today I want to introduce you to a game-changing tool that will revolutionize the way you find and secure your perfect domain name. It's called OneWord Domains. This tool allows you to check for domain names availability directly from Chatgpt Plus accounts. This exciting new tool searches and compares domain name prices across different registries, saving you a lot of time and effort. In addition, you are able to efficiently generate brand business names as well as check their availability in multiple formats, top level domains like .com or AI, among others. Let's dive in. Let's see how this works as a Chat Plus member. I'm not covering in this video how to install and activate the plugin I'm talking about. If you need help with how to install and activate these OpenAI plugins, you can follow the video I made yesterday on my other YouTube channel. The link will be available for you in the description box. Let's enter a keyword or a concept that represents my brand or my business or my website. The plugin will generate now a list of unique OneWord domain names that perfectly capture the essence of my brand. As you can see, the plugin is generating a list of domain names suggestions. So the plugin is generating a list of unique OneWord domain names that perfectly capture the essence of my brand. We get this note telling us that some of them are already taken. My favorite domain name is this one, so I click to check the availability to register it instantly. And voila, you have secured a unique, memorable and impactful domain name for your website, all thanks to OneWord Domains. Another real use case example would be, for example, generate technology product ideas and corresponding website brand names with tld.com with their availability. You should present me in the table format. You press enter and the plugin does this magic. And it's present me this in a beautiful table format, which is easier for me to analyze. So OneWord Domains can help you a lot when finding your brand name and to find their availability. So whether you are a small business owner, a freelancer, or a creative professional, this plugin is your ultimate tool to unlock the potential of your online presence. So I encourage you to visit their official website today and take your first step towards an unforgettable online identity. You may also consider the lifetime membership, where you get access to their database. You just pay once, $149 to own it forever to get unlimited future updates. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like, and share the video. I suggest you watch the upcoming video you are viewing on the screen right now. It's related to this new game changer artificial intelligence technology.